XT15 Imaging Tables. Introduction. Üzümcü XT15 model imaging tables are tables which are used safely in cardiovascular, neurovascular, vascular catheterization, and angiography operations, providing carbon fiber upper tray feature, excellent C-arm access, and maximum image quality at lower radiation level. Unpacking. Tables' lower and upper trays are dispatched in closed wooden case separately. After receiving table, open the case of upper tray with a suitable wrench. Remove the cover and take protections. Take accessories and mat away which are placed beside upper tray. Find wrench set package in accessories and open it. Remove bottom screws of lower tray's wooden case by a suitable wrench. Pull up and remove top cover of the case. Remove protective packages on the table. Remove screws fixing table from both sides by using a wrench and then take the table outside from its case. Take the upper tray from its case to place it on lower tray. Check if table and its accessories are damaged during transport. For your damaged table or accessories during transport, please contact with our firm. Accessories provided with the table: 1 IV pole and connector, 2 arm supports and connectors, 1 joystick, 1 switch, 2 cartridge fuses, spare connecting screws. Installation. Remove electrical brake covers on lower tray by means of a Phillips screwdriver. Remove skidders covers. Remove internal stoppers loosening by means of Allen wrench. Place upper tray on the table by putting it on the skidder. Replace skidder stoppers into their places in order to avoid upper tray fall down. Secure and tighten them by means of a Phillips screwdriver. Position joystick at any point by putting it on the accessories rail. Secure by tightening butterfly screw beneath it. Apply joystick cable's female end in the male socket under the table. Place table mat onto the upper tray. Mount arm support junction to shoulder part of the table. Secure it by tightening screws under the junction. Put arm support into the slot cover connector. Once it is positioned at an angle you require, secure it by tightening screw on the front side. Complete this process by mounting other arm in the same way as described above. Put IV hooks connector on accessories rail. Put IV hook into the slot covered connector and adjust its height, then secure by tightening its screw. To prevent fault current, connect grounding mode under the table to table tray. To allow upper tray's freedom of movement in any direction, remove Allens under the table. Connect power cables one end to the inlet under headpiece and other to grounded socket. Push on-off button to start the table. Push emergency button to disable trade functions in case of emergency. Rotate the button in arrow direction in order to enable electricity again. Push on-off button and shuts electrical circuits down at the end of operation. Usage. With the joystick controller on XT15 model imaging table, sliding table tray to left-right on X-axis and Y-axis and its forward reverse movement as well as height adjustments can be performed ergonomically. Press lock button on the joystick to make it become functional. Table's upper tray is made of carbon fiber material and its total length is 2,450 mm and its permeable area length is 1,300 mm. Carbon fiber material has a function to minimize patients' and healthcare staff's X-ray exposure and to provide high-quality images in lower concentrations. To adjust table's height, press and hold up button on joystick until it ascends to the height you require, down button until it descends to the lowness you require. Images can be obtained readily by means of Scopy device even at its minimum height level. Press the button on joystick to move upper tray on X-axis and Y-axis. You can move it in any direction while holding the button. To secure the table, press red-colored brake pedal. To free the table, press green-colored brake pedal. In this position, while table is on the move, wheels on headpiece shall be made stable and wheels on footpiece shall be made mobile, and thus it can be moved easily to any place in the room. Use the lever under footpiece to move the table in the room. To free the lever, pull it to the right and release. Lever shall take handling position. After table handling work is finished, pull the lever to the right again and make it sit in its place back. When table shall not be moved in the room, open stabilizing shoes under the head and foot pieces of the table by turning them in clockwise direction. After the work is finished, shoes shall sit on the floor and wheels shall remain in the air. To move the table, proceed with the same steps described above in reverse order. Table cleaning. Stainless steel is a scratchable material, therefore wipe it away with hard surface sponge, brush, and etc. materials. Avoid rubbing with other hard surfaced tools. Since chlorine-contained cleaning agents may cause spots of stainless steel, avoid long-term contact. Rinse and dry after use. Since blood, treatment fluids and/or medicines which spilled over the table may cause permanent spots on stainless steel materials, you should rinse, wipe away, and dry immediately. Use steel cream or üzümcü spray produced for steel products periodically. Apply cream or spray by using a soft fabric or sponge, then rinse with plenty of water and dry it. Remove and wash table mat or clean it by wiping away with detergent water when required.